The Xiaomi 15 Ultra, set to launch in early 2025, is expected to be a remarkable leap forward in smartphone technology, combining cutting-edge hardware with innovative design. Positioned as Xiaomi's flagship device, it is rumored to feature the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring unparalleled performance for multitasking, gaming, and intensive applications. Accompanied by up to 16 GB of RAM and a storage option of up to 1 TB, the device is tailored for users seeking a high-performance, future-proof smartphone. Its 6.78-inch AMOLED LTPO display is said to support a 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant visuals, smooth scrolling, and exceptional clarity for both gaming and media consumption. The camera system is anticipated to be one of its standout features, developed in collaboration with Leica to ensure professional-grade photography. The setup is expected to include a 50MP main sensor, a groundbreaking 200MP periscope telephoto lens with 4.3x optical zoom for incredible detail at a distance, and a 50MP depth sensor for enhanced portrait effects. AI-powered enhancements integrated into the camera software will likely offer advanced editing capabilities, making it a powerhouse for content creators and photography enthusiasts. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is also expected to excel in battery life, featuring a 6,100 mAh battery with support for 90W fast charging and possibly 50W wireless charging, ensuring that users can power through their day without interruptions. The phone will reportedly run on Xiaomi's refined HyperOS 2.0, providing an intuitive and highly customizable user experience, optimized for performance and connectivity. With these high-end specifications, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is designed to compete with the best in the market, cementing Xiaomi's position as a leader in smartphone innovation. From photography to performance, it promises to cater to the most demanding users, redefining the flagship experience in the process.